It's time for me to prepare my holiday turkey. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put a turkey into brine. Before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get into it. I'm getting ready to prepare my holiday meal, and one of the things that I wanted to do is serve a turkey. So I always like to put my turkey into brine, and usually I will use a Martha Stewart recipe or solution to brine my turkey. But this time I thought I would try something different. Let me show you. I found this Spice Island Turkey Brine kit at Kroger, and everything is right in there, and I thought, well, why don't I give that a try, and we'll just see how well it works. So let's get that started. So let me set this turkey in the sink, and then I will open this brine kit. So this kit includes a brining bag and 1 pound of turkey brine mixture. And I'm really kind of excited to see how well this works. So what I'm going to want to do is put this brine mixture into a quart of water, bring that to a simmer, and then I'll add that to my container with the turkey. So let's get that started. So we'll follow package directions for this brining kit, and it says to dissolve the brine mixture in 4 quarts of water. Now I'm going to turn the burner on high so the water can start to boil quickly. So once the water heats up, I'll add the brine mixture. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and prepare the turkey. Make sure you take the innards out. There'll be some innards in the body cavity, such as the gravy mix, the neck, and then also in the neck cavity, there'll be a little bag with giblets. So now that everything is out, we'll rinse the turkey off. Now that the turkey is rinsed and just waiting, the water has warmed up enough that I can add the brine solution to the water bath. So let's do that. Now this brining solution is very aromatic. It looks like it's got orange cloves, garlic, onion. So all of the spices that I normally buy are right in there. So I'll give this a stir. Now this smells pretty darn good. Let me turn the heat down because I don't want it to boil. I just want to dissolve this in medium to warm water. Because of course we don't want to pour boiling water on our turkey. But when I look at what's in it, it looks like all the things that I normally put in independently. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Salt, herbs and spices such as black pepper, coriander, red pepper, mustard, rosemary, bay leaf, thyme, onion, garlic, sugar, and orange peel. So all of the things that I normally would put in there individually is already in this turkey brine kit. Now this brine kit is made by Spice Islands, and I have purchased their spices from time to time. And I just thought, well, let's just give it a try and see how this works with the brining. But it looks like it should do the trick. So I need to let it simmer long enough for all the salt in it to dissolve. And then I'll cool it off, and then I'll add some more water to it to make sure it's cool. And then I'll add it to my turkey. So I can still see some salt crystals at the bottom, so I know all the salt's not dissolved just yet. So I'm going to let this continue to simmer while the salt dissolves. But in the meantime, let's get the turkey into the brine bag. So this really large brine bag comes in the kit. Boy, look at it. This bag is huge. So now I'm going to add 2 quarts of ice water. And then I pour in the warm brine solution. And now 2 more quarts of ice water. And then we give that a stir. And now I'll seal the bag, but it looks like the turkey's floating just a little bit. So I'm going to put a plate on top of the turkey to hold it down. Now the hardest part about this whole thing is carrying this bad boy to the refrigerator, because by the time you add the 4 quarts of ice water with the already 4 quarts of warm water that you have plus the bird, it's just a little bit heavy. So I'll get my husband to carry it out and put it in the refrigerator for me. I'm going to let it sit there overnight, and then tomorrow I'll get it out. Now it's time to get this turkey out of the brine. So I'm going to get it over here to the sink, put it into the sink, and then get the brine solution off of the turkey and rinse it off. And yes, I'm going to rinse it off, because when you brine a turkey, you need to rinse off the salt solution. So I'll have my husband put this in the sink because it's quite heavy. This puppy is really heavy when it's got the turkey plus the 8 quarts of water and all that in there. So you might need to have a strong person close by to help you with that. Here's the plate that I had on top weighing the turkey down. I'll get that out. And I see right away I forgot my apron. I'm going to need to grab it. Now that this turkey is out of the brine, I'm going to get it ready to roast. But I hope you enjoyed watching how easy it is to brine a turkey, particularly using a prepared brine. If you like this video, you might want to check out my How to Roast a Turkey video, where I show you how I actually roast my turkey. And you might also want to check out my holiday entertaining playlist, because in that playlist, I show you how to cook a number of foods that you just might want on your holiday table. And just so you know, I've managed a home for more than 45 years. I've raised 3 children, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, I'm going to get this turkey ready for roasting, and I'll see you next time. So let me have my husband put this in the sink for me because let's see. Yeah. So I'll have my husband put this in the sink because it's quite heavy. Sorry, honey, I thought I could lift it out.
Sorry. The whole thing?
No, just the bag.